Hello guys, now let us continue with the tutorial. Now right now we are going to look at how to import a product. You see the template or the material that you downloaded from the community, it has imported products that we are going to that is exported products that we are going to import. So I'm going to show you how to import products. Okay, you can export and import. Okay, in case you have an e-commerce website on a different platform and now you want to export and import the product to a different platform, you can do that. It's possible. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, let's go to products, just add all products. So on top here you can see import and export. If you want to export this one, you can do that. Okay, or you can even decide to delete this one. Okay, good. I can decide to delete this. Good. So let me go to here, let me select trash, and then I will then come here and empty. Let me select all of them here, or I can just empty the trash just to delete this one. Okay, so I've deleted all the product I just added. So we are now going to import a product. Okay, so it's a start import. So let's click that. So this is what we are going to do. You select here, go inside our e-commerce product folder. Just I'm going to show you. You see we have template here. Go inside the template and we have WC product export. Select this one, open it. So we have added that. Update the existing products. Okay, we don't have any existing product because I've deleted that. Okay, so I think that is okay, so we can just continue on. Good. So we are here and it says okay, good. What do we do? Let's look through it. Okay, all that we need to do, run the importer. Okay, so it's working now. Okay, as you can see, it's successful. So view the products. Okay, so these are the products. Okay, it has been added already, and let's see, including the categories, everything, it has been added. Okay, we don't have to do anything again. So now let's go back to, let me open this in a new tab and let's go to our shop page. Okay, so you can see that we have all the products here. So you can just do the same, so that, because all that you need to know is how to add a simple product, which we have done that, and how to add a variable product. Okay, this shop, we don't have any, when you look at the sample one, we don't have downloadable products and we don't have affiliate products, so we are not going to cover that. So it's all about simple products and variable products, and I've taught you how to do that. Okay, and now we have imported the product that we have on our old platform. Okay, so you can do the same. In our next video, we will look at how to arrange this part, that the sidebar, how to change the color of the tag. When you look at this one, when you go to the sample site, the shop page, you see it has a different color here, but this one is using the that's the default one, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.